What's up, fam? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome back to the night shift. Glad you guys are with us. Glad you're here. My name is Brad. I am your host for the night. Welcome in, friends. How's everybody doing today? How was your trading day today? How is the week treating you so far? I had an incredible day today. Not even on the charts, just hanging out with my grandson and my daughter and my wife. It was freaking amazing. We're up here. If you weren't on the stream last night, my wife and I, Lady Darb and I, took a road trip. We took a road trip. We left Houston and drove north of Dallas to Denton, Texas, where my daughter, son-in-law, and grandson live. And because we can't get to see him very much because we live 5 hours away from each other, we were like, you know what? We're gonna take some time off. I got some vacation days left to use up. We're gonna pack up all the streaming gear. We're getting the heck out of here. We're driving north. And so that's what we did. That's where we are. So if everything looks different a little bit behind me, we're in one of her spare bedrooms here in their house. She let me graciously set up shop here tonight, last night, and then tonight as well. So this is the last night of the week for the night shift. Thursday nights are all we get. We get Sunday through Thursday, man, and that's cool. It's great. It's fine. It's all good. I'm super happy about that. So yeah. I'm having one little issue. I kind of got in here just a little bit ago to kind of put stuff together and get this all kind of wrapped up. But I'm having one small little issue. I cannot get TradingView, the desktop app, nor the web app to connect to my prop accounts. Like I can get Tradovate to pull up. I can get it to pull up my DOM for my Lucid accounts here, but I can't get it to connect inside of TradingView. Like when I go to connect, you know how you normally do when you go to connect, you hit Tradovate, right? And if you hit connect, it takes you to the login screen, and I can put in my username and my password and everything. When I click login, it checks, it says checking, and then it gives me a failed to log in accounts configuration is invalid. I don't know what that means. And I've tried with my Funded Futures and with Lucid, and I'm not sure what's going on, and I keep getting the same error. I've rebooted everything. I'm not doing anything different than I have done before. Oh, it's demo. Let me try that. Okay, let me try that again. Hold on. Demo connect. Maybe that's what was happening. I didn't have much time to get all this set up. Okay, there we go. Sorry, rookie mistake. I literally flew in here. We've been hanging out with my fam all day today and just haven't had time to put it all together. So I came in here, was trying to get everything configured from last night. I still have cables all over the place. So that's what I'm working with right now. So sorry about that. What else is going on today? Today was also a good day on Lucid. So if you remember last night on this Lucid account here, this funded account, the one here in the middle, we took a loss last night, a full stop loss on that, and it was down like $380 last night when we got off stream. Well, today we clawed all that back and added $122 and added another minimum $100 profit to that. So super happy about that. Did take a small loss on the My Funded Futures funded account. We took like what was it like? Well, I haven't even logged into My Funded Futures yet. So hold on, I'm gonna have to get that up here in a minute. Don't let me forget that. I actually put a little trade on it on my phone, and it is cranking away here. Let me see if I can log in over here and then get it on. Oh shoot, it's in profit. I need to close that out. I am. So I took about a $400 loss on the My Funded Futures. Let me get this. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm still trying to get everything situated here. 1 second. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Let me log in off screen over here. Okay. Bam, bam. Wait. Okay, cool. Let me pull this over. Get this back up over here. Let me see that. I may have to. I'm gonna have to adjust this though. I'm gonna have to pull this way up. Can everybody see all that? Is that good? Pull this down and hide. Sorry, y'all. I know I'm still trying to. I'm on vacation, man. I'm on vacation. Just chilling. All right, so I had a small loss on this earlier today, about a $400 loss. I just clawed back about $200 of that. I took a little long off of when we bounced down here. I put on a couple micros and ran that back up here. So clawed back 200. This will now be day 5, and I will be available for when this. So this is the loss I took today. You can see that right here. 415. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 5 days of $150 profit, and that now qualifies that $1,400. I could take a payout on this tomorrow if I wanted to. When the market closes, I might try to build up a little bit more of a buffer. Although getting a payout is nice, since I've been streaming, I haven't taken a payout at all, and that's frustrating because I've been wanting to take payouts with you guys on the stream here. So just to lock one down and get another one to pay out has been nice. So maybe I'll just take the payout. And I've got this one. I've got this Lucid Flex up here that is also working its way to pay out as well. So maybe I'll run that one up. I don't know. We'll just keep going. You know, we're working things out here. We're working them out as we go. So, but good day for me. Mixed day. I made 400 and something on the 25K funded Lucid Flex account, and I took a small loss, a $400 loss. No, like it was like 300, 350. No, what was it? 415. We just looked at it. What was it? 415. And I try to. So my losses on the 50K accounts, because there's 2,000 drawdown, I have it to 5 to 6 losses would lose the whole. I would have to lose 5 or 6 in a row on that. So I missed the opening drive today. I was hoping we would get a little pop up, and instead we got the pop down, and I took a full stop on that opening drive loss this morning. But then the rest of the day, I was just scalping short all day today. Every time we would get a pop, I was just shorting back down and clawed back the 25K funded account, clawed that loss back we took on stream last night, and then added another $122 to it already. I did reset one of the other evals, so we've got another eval to work with on the Lucid side. So, how was y'all's day? Let me get over to chat and see what's going on, guys. Smash that like button for me. Let me say hello to somebody. I'm going to scroll back up here. Miss K911, Simo Show, Mark Frank, Nux Nostalgia, it's Burn Trades, Trader 007NQ, Madeline, Fraser's here, C-Wiz, Naruto, let's see, Phoenix Traders in the house. Man, so glad you're here. Future Nexus, Lord Woodslinger, Colt Treester, Adam K, Viv Mahoney, Abdullah Al-Harbi, welcome in. Said, brother, I hope you're doing fine. I am doing fine. Tony B, thanks for being here. Passed my second eval last night and then proceeded to end down 1,000. Oh man, hate to hear that. Sorry. Ian, welcome in, buddy. I am Liquidity, Fire on Official, Just Skilled, Jay Wood. Man, you guys, all the regulars are here. Thank you guys so much for showing up tonight. Smash that like button for me. We've got 2 incredible giveaways for you guys tonight. What's up, Vegas Mike? What's up, Kev? Thanks for being here, guys. Tonight on the schedule, Slacks has us in the treasure chest. We've got another funded next 25K rapid. If we get to 200 likes, and then if we get our way up to 300 likes, we've got a Futures Desk $200 credit That's pretty sweet. That you can go and build your own eval on the futures desk. They have they kind of let you customize your own test. So that's cool. If we get to 300 likes, we got that to give away. And of course, as always, if we keep our 400 streak going, I'll throw in 4 boot camps to that as well. So let's see. I'm Liquidity says, what's up? How are you? I'm doing great. Smeesh to like, which prop firm and accounts do you like best so far? CS Davis. I really like the Lucid Flex and I love My Funded Futures. They're both fantastic accounts. Yeah, I mean, they're both doing really good. We've already got green on the board tonight. Again, I bought the dip right as we slammed back down here. I bought right in here and rode it back up into these highs. Actually closed it out up here because I had it sitting off. I forgot I even had it logged out and I was trying to get the trading view stuff to work and I forgot all about it. So close that out in profit and solidified on that one, solidified a payout tomorrow if we want it. So that's cool. I'm Liquidity says, brought back 2 25K accounts from the brink of death, around $100 left of drawdown on each, and now both are safely back over their starting balance. That's a great feeling, isn't it? That's a great feeling when you're right on the edge and you throw 1 micro on there and you scalp a little bit and you throw another micro and scalp a little bit and you nurse that soldier back to health, you bandage him back up and throw him back out there. I love that feeling, man. Good for you, good for you. Abdullah Al-Harbi says, brother, you gave me a song last night, but I couldn't find Trade Goes Up and Pleasure Goes Down. Please, I want it. I tried a lot. It's in the Suno playlist that I sent you last night. It's called Trades Go Up, Blessings Come Down. Trades Go Up, Blessings Come Down is the name of the song. And it's like, let me look and see where it is in the playlist. Yeah, it's going to be down towards the bottom of the playlist. It's right after a song called Liquidity Lightning. And one called Zooming Down the Chart on My Rocket Scooter. It's right in between those two. On the Suno playlist. CS Davis says, is that an MF? Yeah, it's a 50K funded flex account right here. So this is a fully funded 50K flex from My Funded Futures. That's the one you see on the screen, and it's at $1,400 profit. And we've now, with this right here, we have locked in our 5 days of minimum profit. So we'll be eligible tomorrow. When the market closes tomorrow, we'll be eligible for a payout on that. And I'm kind of thinking I might want to take it just because I like taking the money, like it's available, the payout's there, take what you can get. And I haven't gotten a payout since I've been streaming, and I've been wanting to do that with you guys and be part of the process. And so this is the longest time I've gone without, since I've started streaming, it's been the longest I've gone without getting a payout, and it's been very frustrating for me. So it's just part of the whole streaming experience and learning experience with you guys, demonstrating the stress of that, my own mental and psychology through this whole process. It's just a whole new world, and I'm getting used to it. And I think I'm kind of getting over the hump of that. But I got to pay out, man. It's like, don't say anything. Lady Darb's birthday's coming up in about a week and a half, and so I could use a little extra ish. Because I want to get her something nice that she asked for, and I don't want her to know about it. I think she's cooking dinner right now and not listening. So we'll see. This would help out with that. T-Woo, what's up, man? What it do? What it do? I'm good, bro. How are you, man? Dogepedia says I've got $120, 120 away from bust. Oh, that's hard. It's hard. You gotta tickle a wick to save that one, I think. That's gonna need a wick tickle. That's gonna need a wick tickle to save that one. My brother, hold on. I mean, I've sent the Suno playlist out, Abdullah. I don't know what else. I don't know how else to help you, my friend. There it is again. It's about almost to the bottom. It's like 3/4 of the way down in that list. It's got a yellow like icon. Each song has like a color picture next to it. It's got a yellow icon with a rocket in it, and it's right after the song called Liquidity Lightning. That's the best I'm going to be able to help you with. Crazy Day Jaw 111 says I was down 1250 and then ended up 500 on the day. I need a beer. How about you, bro? Let's go. That's quite the whippy equity curve right there, man. Quite the curve. Mac Dabrowski said that boner candle catch you today near the closing. No, it didn't. I did all my trading early on. I was done by lunch basically, and I was hanging out with the fam all day. After that, I did listen to the end of Neon's stream just a little bit. We were on our way to go have we were on our way back from lunch with some family, and because my mom and dad live up here in this part of town, and so we were able to hook up with them today. It was nice to hang out with them too, and they got to hang out with their great grandson again. And so we were on our way back from lunch, and I did catch the tail end of Neon's stream today. So scalping is where it is at. And Madeline, I think you're absolutely right. And I know C Wisdom has been talking about the scalping a lot recently as well. The environment last night, the environment today, and maybe even the environment we're going to be in tonight might be the scalper's heaven. And to scalp effectively, I'm definitely more of a pick my spot, get in, wait. The constant flipping and trading ranges, I've got to get. That's definitely something I need to get better at and work on. It's not the strongest part of my trading game. Today, I was just wanting to short today, and so every time we got a pop, with all of the data, the rocket scooter data, the resilience, the DD ratio, everything was super low all day. So I was just like, man, this thing's not going to pump unless we get some crazy headline, which we did get at the end of the day. But in the morning and all the way up through lunch, it was just basically pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. And so I was just shorting anytime it was getting back to the top of the range. And maybe that's really the key, is just whatever bias you hold, short the pops and buy the dips, kind of, if you're scalping and you're just playing it back to the middle of the range maybe. So it did work well for me. But that is definitely not something I'm super comfortable. I don't like taking a ton of trades generally in any session. I'm typically a 1 to 2 trade kind of guy for the day, and I'm done. I find I have higher accuracy with that trading style. And I know that there's some people that are like taking 15, 20 trades a day. And man, more power to you. If that works for you and you have edge with that, God bless you, man. Like that's it. That's where it is. So that's not my game. That's not my style of trading. I am a frame a bias, use the high volume pivots to frame up a game plan, a trade where you would want to get in, know where you're going to want to get out and take profit, and then take your shot when it gets there. So Phoenix says you have such great music. Can we access the playlist? I'm still new here. Yeah, I just threw it in there, so I'm just catching up with chat. Sorry. Nuck says I agree. Madeline, scalping is about the only way to make anything right now. I tell myself I'm a scalper, but I end up losing much more than winning. Yeah. Secret is safe with you, Julia. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. If she pops in here tonight, don't say anything. Don't give it away. She wanted to get her hair done because that's not a game. Nux. Yeah, you remember that, don't you? She got her hair done the other night. She came on the stream and sat down, and we were talking about getting her hair done. That we had paid like $300 to get her hair done, which to me, I pay like $20 to get a haircut. Today, I got a free haircut. My daughter actually cut my hair today, so we're nice and tidy again. I'm still a hat guy, so we're going with the hat. I get free haircuts, so when she's like, yeah, it was $350, I'm like, jeez, what? It's not a gift. It's a haircut. I thought it was a gift. I think it's a nice gift. Just need to put it in the stream description. Yeah, maybe. Found it right off. Yeah, there's the song. I think it's pretty easy to find. Frank says Mark Frank says I keep playing Tokyo Ticks on loop. Tokyo Ticks is a good jam. I like it. Kurt Nichols, what's up, man? Kurt, hey, buddy, welcome in. This is the night shift. I'm the host of the night shift. My name is Brad. I'm here every single night. Matt has hired 2 new streamers on his channel. So Matt streams in the morning, Neon streams in the afternoon, and then I'm here every night. But welcome in, man. If you wouldn't do me a solid and y'all smash that like button, please, for me. We're trying to get up to 200 likes. If we get to 200 likes, we will do our first giveaway. I'm also trying to be a little bit more chill tonight because when I got done with the stream, I walked out and my daughter, son-in-law, and my wife were all out there and they were like, you were so loud. Why are you yelling? And I'm like, I'm not yelling. And they're like, you're definitely yelling. And I'm like, I'm not yelling. I don't know what you're talking about. So now I'm like self-conscious about my volume. I'm self-conscious about how I'm supposed to act on here right now because I feel like they're judging me out there in the living room right now. I don't know. Do y'all feel like I'm yelling? Do y'all feel like I yell at you? I don't feel like I'm yelling or get like crazy loud. Maybe I do. I don't know. Let me turn down the tunes a little bit. I know that's too loud. All right. I'm still catching up on chat here. What's up, Zill? Long live Iran and common people of USA. No redheads though. Trading on Pro now. We look at gold. I don't trade it. I've never traded gold or silver. We look at it. People always pop in and they're like, look at gold. And I'm like, okay, let's go look at it. It's dropping. That's all I can tell you. You know, some people really love trading the metals. I am not a metals trader. I stick with what I know, which is the equities, and that's good for me. Somebody says, I can afford a $300 haircut, but I cut my own hair. Yeah, okay. I think gold and silver are dropping because of the economic data that came out and the FOMC minutes that came out. Matt was talking about this on his stream today. Rare no hat, Brad. Yeah, Mark. I'm pretty much a hat guy unless I'm on stage. If I'm on stage at church, there's no hat. But it's nice and tidy today, man. She really trimmed it up. Short. Looking good. You can see the gray in there now. Not too much. It's not too bad. It's all right. Hitches says I was going to long HP to MHP, but this market blows. Happy I stayed out. Yep. Price action was playing with me a lot last night. I just could not. I think honestly, just the drive, like driving for 5 hours, listening to the FOMC minutes. I was stressed about getting here in time to get the whole stream package set up and ready. The lights, the camera, the multi-screens, everything. And then get everything ready to get on and start streaming. And I think that, and I was tired from driving, all of it just, it was just a recipe for me not to just be in a good flow state for trading. And I was struggled last night. Y'all saw me. I talked about it. I talked about it a lot. So, but today, man, I slept great. I woke up this morning, clawed all that loss back and more. And so super happy about that. Kurt Nichols says for free for the Rocket Scooter software for a month. Sure, I'll smash it. I can't give you the free software for a month. I can give you a free boot camp later tonight if we get to 400 likes. If we get to 400 likes, that's kind of been my thing. I donate a boot camp to the viewers. Matt matches it, and we keep shelling out some of the best free education that's out there. We have had more people, I think, from my stream get a free boot camp class than the other 2 streams combined. So I'm super proud about that. The generosity from this night shift community, off the charts. Baby trying to sleep. Well, the baby didn't wake up, somebody. The baby didn't wake up, but they said I was just really loud, and they were like, why are you so loud? Why are you yelling at everyone? And I said I wasn't yelling. Before or after the sugar rush? Yeah, I don't know. 400 up. Simo's up 400 in that short NQ. Nice. Gold is too random. Yeah, so gold, any of the commodities to me are just fundamentally driven more than they are technically driven. And so I just don't have edge in those markets. Number one, I haven't put any time really into trying to develop edge there. I have plenty of edge in ES and NQ. And I'm happy. Like I don't need to trade so much that I've got to have 5 different instruments and charts up to be able to jump back and forth. Like I just feel like it would put me in a position to be over trading and second guessing which position I should be in based on what was happening on all the charts. So Slack says same. I don't know what he was talking about, but Seawiz, talk about getting dumped on. Everything would be going smooth up and just out of nowhere, bam, 80 points down, no news, no tweets. Yeah, today was Chop City, very Chop City. Gray hair is cool on men and women. Everyone knows that, says Madeline. Madeline, you and I would be great friends. Zill, I took one trade off of the open. So let me get over here to the 1 minute chart. I took on my funded futures, this account right here. I took a trade right down as we bounced right here. I took a trade and closed it out up here. But I probably would have closed it sooner. I was having logging into TradingView issues, and I didn't realize I was on live and not demo, and I kept getting authorization errors. And I couldn't figure it out until like literally a minute after we got on the stream. So Woo outside said, was too scared to trade any of my real accounts today. Scalped all day in a sim account for 200. That's fantastic. Felt like I got lucky and was gambling. Not what I want to do, way over traded. Well, I mean, if you're not feeling it, go into an actual true paper account, not an eval. It's a great way to kind of work out the bugs and click. If you just need to punch buttons because you just feel like you got to punch a button, load up a paper trading account and do it there. Haircut thing, stream was behind maybe. Well, I'm Slacks. I'm way behind. I've like scrolled back up on chat so that I could talk to people and answer questions. So you were probably right on. I just took me a long time to get there. Carlosville says, did anyone play the Netanyahu? It took out one of my accounts and I played spy puts, got enough money to offset that. Then another account got exactly $749.50 on the aftermath. Nice, buddy. Yeah, Zill, you're right. SK's got like a 5,000 screens all around him all the time. He must have like severe ADHD. That would drive me insane. Aaron Hazelbauer, 14.5K day. That's fantastic. Way to go, buddy. GG's. You'd love to dye your hair white? Yeah, I wouldn't want to go white. I like having my dark hair. But my daughter was cutting my hair today and she was like, Dad, I really love the salt and pepper. And I was like, oh, et tu, Brute. When your daughter's cutting your hair and she comments how much she likes your salt and pepper, you know you're there, man. You got to squint to see the difference. The pink and the blue, it's hard to see the pink and the blue. The green and the red hurts my eyes. So I've just always had, I don't know, I went to pink and blue. To me, the boys masculine is like a blue color and the boys go up and girls go down. That's kind of why girls are weaker. They're the weaker species. And the boys are stronger, so that's why I have the blue and the pink candles. What's up, Levi Jones? How you doing, man? Candle colors hard to see. I can change them. I can go back to green and red. Green and red hurt my eyes. So, so it's like a charcoal gray background. It's not like a true black. Let me go to my is it canvas? Yeah. So my background is like this gray color. We could go solid black. Does that help? If we go solid black, is that better or worse? Lady Darb heard that one too. Please preface your kidding. Metro A&D is my son. He says, please preface your kidding. Lady Darb heard that one. No food for you. My family's in here like, Dad, don't talk like that. Kids can't hear their parents talk about sex. It grosses them out, even when they're adults. If you have to say you're kidding, it ain't funny. That's right. What's up, T for Keeps? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Mindy, what's up? Welcome in. Is the black, the solid black, back going solid black, is that a better for the pink and blue? Or should we keep playing with this a little bit? Better? You want to leave it there? I use solid black. I like it. True. I mean, the blue is a little bit harder for me to see on the solid black. You want the ES levels? Here you go. ES levels are right here. Back is. I feel like I need to darken up the blue color though. Let me see here. Don't want grid lines. Where's the if I go a little darker on the blue, what's that like? Is that better? That feels more like neon color to me, and that hurts my eyes. What if I go back to the solid color? That's like no, something like that. Your song is R&B. I don't know. People said they couldn't see my candles. I don't like I'm not a green and red candle guy. I don't like the green and red candles. I don't like staring at them. This is more contrasting. It's more noticeable. Okay, we'll stick with this. White background? Ooh, God, no. I cannot do a full white background at all. No. You need an eye doc appointment? Yeah, maybe. This is fine with me. I don't mind this contrast. It's fine. We can go with this. It's cool. This is good for now. So, I heard from some of you how your days went. Did anybody pass an eval today? Did anybody get a payout today? Did anybody have any fallen soldiers, blown accounts today? Did anybody break even? Red, green, what were you? You got a hit, Kurt? That's awesome. 600 songs in 2 weeks at the age of 65. Well done, friend. Is this Stone Beach gonna drop or what? Yeah, Tony, I don't know, man. We're definitely in a little choppy range here. I'm gonna go over some of that. 2 blown accounts, Prime Blue Mine, CWIZ maxed out 2 more, fantastic. Lost a 25K eval. Made 47, 1500 on an eval. Have 2 MFFU evals. Slightly green. Stacking green days to secure my 7% buffer. Nice. Gambled 2 evals and lost them. That's fantastic. Okay, well, you know, we like to pause. We like to pause here every single night, and we like to just remember those fallen soldiers that have gone before us, those breached accounts. They paid the ultimate price. We sent them out into the market today, and they did not come back. Gone but not forgotten, but we salute.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
Check it. Check it a name in tonight. When the trades go up, the blessings come down. Testify, Scooter. I was stumbling through the market, feeling broken and blind. Every candle looked crooked, fear was ruling my mind. Then Scooter whispered to me, let me show you the way. Watch that bulls on rising, watch the DD band sway. When the signal starts singing, and the lines stay true, just trust that Scooter power, it'll carry you through. Trades go up, blessings come down. Hallelujah. Lift that rocket, Scooter side.
Muted. I'm just keeping y'all on your toes. I like to practice my Matt impression, my muted Matt impression. I got to keep sharp on that. You never know when I'm going to pull it out. I was reading my travel journal's message in chat. Says, this is my first time being in profit while trading 2 evals after 3 weeks of trading. Just hoping to finally pass soon and get my first payout. And I was saying, we have all been there, my travel journal. I can remember so very clearly the time when I first started trading these accounts and how many it took me to blow up before I started passing them and then blowing those up, and then how many it took to get funded and then to get to a payout. So we're right there with you. Right there with you. Lips reading level 1000. Slightly muted map. Milli Vanilli people in the house. Let's go. All right, guys. How are we feeling about this market right now? We had some news pop us up at the end of the day about possibly securing the Strait of Hormuz and escorting tankers through. So had a lot of volume come in to support it. Did sell off a little bit right towards the close. But after mock and after the bell rang, that 1 hour post market rallied back up a little bit, and now we're just holding steady. We have MHP below us, we have HP above us on ES. On NQ, HP and MHP are both above us. Typically, when they don't line up, it gives me cause to think that when these are not lined up, when price opens between them, it often creates some choppy action. And when they don't match, like when the correlating indexes don't line up with their dynamic MHPs and HPs, it's kind of conflicting information. So if both of them had MHP and HP above, I would be looking to short off of those levels. ES has MHP below, and we closed with MHP above. We closed with MHP above 0, fairly healthy. So that gives me pause to think, man, there's reason. I have reason to believe we could go either way. And right now, we on ES. Dang it, sorry. We're in a 14-point range from open to now. So we're pretty tight right now. Not a lot of volatility coming in. We haven't had any news events coming out. Yeah, nothing is really popping up on financial juice that, might want to be a headache one way or the other. You look at the let's jump up to the daily. Let's jump up to the daily and take a look and see what's going on there. So you can see daily time frame. ES, we took out the previous week low here and closed back up inside the range. The body of the candle there, you can see closed back up inside that range. If you look at the weekly time frame here, gap down, gap down, gap down. Are we going to close bearish again this week tomorrow? Tomorrow, do we push up and end with a bullish weekly candle? NQ, haven't taken out the previous week low yet. So ES went and ran deeper than NQ did. Are we still feeling bearish on this market heading into the last trading day of the week? What are we thinking, chat? What are you guys vibing with right now? What's your bias? Are you long? Are you short? Do you think this market's cooked, or do you think this market has found a bottom and you're a professional knife catcher? Gaining W Dell says, I feel like it's trying to trap traders. Like both sides? What's up, Dumb Money? Welcome in. Chris Capua is asking, what's MHP? Well, welcome in, my friend, first of all. MHP stands for monthly hedge pressure, and it's a line that Rocket Scooter calculates before each session, and we draw it on our charts, and it's based off of the maximum gamma exposure for dealer options. And it basically filters out all of the options information that we pay for, and is able to identify where dealers would be looking to hedge their positions as price reaches that in the futures market side. So we use QQQ and SPY. It's all done behind the scenes, but all you need to know is that it plots this before we get to it. It plots it before we get to it. And you can see HP, this is the monthly hedge pressure. HP is weekly hedge pressure, which is what we're floating around right now. You can see it acting as support and resistance in just tonight's session that we have right now. This red box that I have on the chart is the gap up information. This is where we closed, and then this is where we opened up. And I like to keep that on the chart for the Asia session if we have a decent enough gap. You can see how price likes to pivot around that half gap area as support and resistance as well. So we're just kind of locked tight up here right now. Where are we at here? We got like a 50-point range. A 50-point range here in the Asia session so far on NQ, and a 14-point range on ES. Are we back into a selling the top and buying the bottom? Is this going to be another scalper's paradise tonight? Triple witching tomorrow, that's right. Friday's war still going on. We closed under the 200 moving average on the indexes. Oh yeah, let me show you By the way, look at Rocket Scooter. We don't have this for futures data, but we now have the historical liquidity pockets and MHP maps on the 15-minute time frame on the S&P and QQQ. You can see all that. But if we jump up to the daily maps, the monthly maps here on SPY. Oh, jeez. Go away. I don't know what just happened. We closed underneath the bear zone here. We are now in bear territory for the day. Yesterday we closed right above it, but today we dug deep into it and we could not close back above the bear territory on QQQ. And if I pull up SPY as well, it shows a similar situation here. What's going on? Why is it doing that? Hold on. Let me get off of that. Go back to the daily here. There we go. SPY also closed inside of its bear zone top as well. So, and it closed yesterday right in the middle of kind of neutral territory. Today, we closed inside bear zone monthly maps for both SPY and QQQ. So that's probably not great for the overall market conditions, the greater market conditions. Keep that in mind. Revved Up Racing says, every time I think we took a turn to go bullish, the bears tanked the market again. Yeah, that's been the last couple days and last few sessions. From this soil, just signed in. What's the feelings? Bullish or bear setup here? I feel bullish, but man, the market has been interesting lately. That's what we're talking about right now. We're trying to, we're getting the temperature from, I asked chat what everybody was kind of feeling, and we're about 50-50. About half of us think bullish, half of us think bearish. I'm very neutral at the moment. I'm in no hurry to get into a position tonight. For the scalpers, maybe this is another scalpers paradise session where you're buying the bottom of the range, selling the top of the range, play it back to the middle. It's kind of hard to get a really strong bias one way or the other. Maybe we have found the end of the beautiful Asia session setups. Tonight may be the final run as we head into triple witching tomorrow. Quadruple witching. What's the quadruple witching, dumb money? What am I missing? Chris Capio says, do you play on a worship team? I heard you say you wear a hat unless you're on. Yes. That's my day job is, I work at a church. I'm the program director / worship leader for a large church in the Houston area. We have multi-campus church. I oversee all the programming, all the worship teams, worship leaders, production, video, lighting, communications, the whole shebang. That's my job. That's my day job. Until this takes over, that's my day job. Maybe this year. This may be the year right here. Short-term bullish, mid-term bearish. Buck the Gamer. I'm in no position right now. I took one long off the open when we dropped. I bought and closed this out right here on this 50K funded account. Hey, babe. Thank you. What's this called? Spinach sausage mac. It looks delicious. Look at that. No, I'm good. I got water and I'm set. Thank you, babe. I love you. My wonderful daughter cooking me up some spinach chicken sausage mac. Delish. Stock options, stock index options, stock index futures, and single stock futures. Do I have an opinion on Take Profit? Kinchin, Take Profit's a great firm. It's one of the most popular firms in the rocket scooter community by far. Head and shoulders above the rest. I think most people in here would say that Take Profit is a fantastic firm to trade with. I don't like trading with Take Profit because once you pass the eval, when you move to funded, it moves from end of day drawdown to intraday trailing drawdown. And I can't stand trading those accounts. Not a fan. Just had Chick-fil-A for the last day of Ramadan. Chick-fil-A is so good. Ugh. I do have a good kid. I got 4 good kids, man. I gotta say that because they're all watching right now. No favorites. I got cheese on my chin. Do I? I think I got it. Yeah, the trailing drawdown sucks. I have never... It took me forever. When I first started this, I didn't know about all the other prop firms, and I went with what all the marketing was pushing me towards, which was Top Step and Apex. I got payouts from both of them after a while, but it took me a long time. Apex took me the longest to get to a payout. Tom C, yes, I use MHP and HP as actual entry levels. They are the actual places that I look to get into and out of trades. Sometimes you can take a position to a level, MHP or HP, but most of the time I use them as my entry points. Those are where the high volume pivots are going to come in into the market at those levels. When do stock futures return? I don't know. Have they set a date? Has the CME set a date on the stock futures? I haven't kept up with that. Yeah, I got a haircut. My daughter cut my hair today. Drop says I don't like slop step. Not a fan. I'm not a fan. I don't touch it anymore because they force you to use Project X. And it's not that their accounts are bad, it's their platform is bad. They've had so many issues with it. And they kind of like forced their way into the other prop firms, right? They said, hey, you can white label Project X and you can offer it as another platform. And then they were like, oh, by the way, if you're going to keep using this, we want access to all of your trader information and all of your accounts. And everybody's like, what? No. And then it started crashing all the time. And then they weren't making it right with people. And so they went through a big PR mess with Top Step X. So it's not that their accounts are horrible. They're not great because they have the activation fee model where you pass and then pay an activation fee. I'm not sure where they score on the new prop website that's coming out. I don't think they're in the top. Oh, there's Matt. Matt says Apex ranks is one of the worst on our ranking site. Where does Top Step sit, Rocket Scooter? Matt, where does Top Step sit? Tip stop. Still inputting the data? Okay. No score yet for Top Step, but Apex is in the trash bin, he says, on the new prop scoring model that we're putting out. So if you don't know, Rocket Scooter AI, that's Matt. He's the founder of this channel. If you just joined the stream, welcome. My name's Brad. I'm one of the streamers on Matt's channel. And we've been building a prop scoring website. Think of it as like a credit bureau auditing type of firm that takes every bit of information that these prop firms have available to us, to the public, and we put it into a mathematical model that spits out a score for the overall prop firm itself, and then it spits out a score for each individual account that they offer. So now, as traders who are looking to continue to build our own personal prop firm business trading model, we're now going to have a tool that will allow us to very quickly cut through the marketing, cut through what all the influencers are telling us, and get right to the heart of the issue. Which one of these accounts is better than the other? And so we can use the information that the math model scores to help us refine our choices down to, well, these are the best top 3. And it's a lot of it's going to be cool. It's going to be based on the information that you can put in for your own personal trading style and trading history. You know, if you have all of your stats, you can be like, hey, I'm a 1 to 3 risk reward trader, and I pass 30% of the evals that I attempt. And I like intraday, or I like end of day, or I like static, right? So you can put all of your information in, and you can filter. And here's my budget, right? You can even do it by budget, and you'll be able to just quickly like be boom, 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 boom. Okay. Oh man, I didn't even realize I should have been looking at this account with this firm based on my trading style and my budget and how I like to trade. This account is actually the better option for me, and I've been putting all my time and effort and energy into this one, and maybe that's why I haven't been having the success that I've been having. Yeah, what's up? Huh? All right, I gotta say goodnight. Come say hi to everybody, and I'll say goodnight.
Hello. Are you over here? Or do you not want to? Our oldest. What's your name? Dogs and Spiders. Here she is.
It's my gamer tag. So that's like what I used to play games. So I was like, I'm just gonna keep it for the stream.
No, works. Thanks. There she is, y'all. The oldest.
I think I only recognize Matt. Rockets.
Hey.
Okay, I gotta go.
Yeah.
Bed.
Okay. Good night. What's happening? I'm here by myself.
Bell rings, gap up tall. I'm already watching
half price, calling
bad like it on me. I'm
I thought we were just chatting. By yourself.
You keeping up with everybody?
No. It's so fast.
It's so fast.
It's so fast.
They're probably telling you to push buttons you shouldn't be pushing.
No, I'm not. I'm not going to. Hands up.
Goodbye.
Bye.
That's great. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Hey, can you get the cat? I don't want him jumping up here.
Not pickle. Not pickle. Here we are.
Hit the buy button. Every time you get on, they are like, hit the buy button, hit the buy button, hit the buy button. Why do y'all want me to lose so badly? Is that the entertainment that you need, is for her to come in and just full port while I'm not here? Man, chat blew up when they got on here. Dogs and sweaters, not dogs and Potter. She said dogs and sweaters. They're all like, as soon as it's Dan, stop. Everybody in here is like, place a trade, hit the buy button, hit the buy button. Why do you want me to blow up so badly? They do the same thing with iDoc too. Every time iDoc comes in, they're the same way. They're like, push it, full port. No, she has a cat named Nana. You need this song playing while you're trading? Uh-oh, uh-oh. She would have got me 15 points. Probably. For entertainment purposes, yeah. Blind monkey and all. Blind monkey strategy. Lady Darb, just come in here and tell me when to hit buy. Finally got a good looking streamer. Dang, y'all are brutal tonight. Y'all are brutal. Hey guys, smash that like button for me. As soon as we get to 200 likes, we'll be doing our first giveaway. We're at 156. We're working our way there. Oh man, it looks like we're gonna try and break the bottom of this range. Just to see me cry. Mac, I have not used Go Charting, but I'm about to be using Go Charting. Because if you didn't hear Matt's stream today, Rocket Scooter tools are going to be in Go Charting. Did he say tomorrow or next week? Matt, are you still in here? Did you say tomorrow or next week? I was trying to listen while I was hanging out with my grandson today. Tomorrow! Hell yeah! So there you go, guys. Rocket Scooter tools are now going to be inside of Go Charting tomorrow, be testing it out. So as soon as that gets available, I will definitely be using Go Charting so that I can trade. I'll have all the Rocket Scooter tools on platform while I'm trading off of that platform. And it has Rhythmic, it has CQG, you can trade your own personal accounts. It's the direct competitors to TradingView. In fact, I heard him say that the former CEO, I believe, of TradingView went over and is now helping Go Charting get off the ground as a direct competitor to TradingView. So I don't know. I've never even been to their website, but they have an app. I don't want to sign in to anything right there. Let me pull this over. If I click sign in, what happens? Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. It's got some information up there already on my stuff. But y'all go check it out. The former CEO of TradingView is the COO of Go Charting now. There you go. I will be using Go Charting. Matt, do you know, do they offer CQG data through Go Charting? Can you purchase CQG data through Go Charting to feed Rocket Scooter itself? Or are we still gonna have to go through a personal broker to do that? I don't know where the drop ends on this. If I'm looking at ES, I would be if we hop over to ES, MHP is where I would be looking to get into a long position off of ES, and so I would correlate my entry. If I wanted to trade NQ, then I would be looking for ES to get down here, and then if you wanted to trade NQ, just wait for ES to get down into that, about that level, and then you could proxy trade NQ off of that. Or you could just wait for ES to drop down and get into a long off of MHP right here. That is a EST every single time entry. Yep, no more needing an account as far as I know. Sweet. That's what I'm looking forward to. Being able to trade all of your accounts off of one trading platform and have all of the Rocket Scooter tools available to you. That's pretty badass. And then Ninja Trader will be coming right behind that. And then I think he said Wealth Charts will be coming in right behind that. And then right behind that, of course, is the the prop scoring website that's going to be coming out. Dude, we got a lot of stuff cooking for you guys in the Rocket Scooter community right now. Do you love Wealth Charts? I have never used Wealth Charts. Isn't Wealth Charts an Apex thing? Or is it across the board? Anybody can use it. Vanderos says, will we get an OG Rocket Scooter discount on the platform? I doubt it. You're probably gonna, just like you would pay for TradingView, you're probably gonna have, there's probably some cost involved on the Go charting side. But I mean, honestly, if I can get all the same trading abilities that I have on TradingView, and I believe it looks and feels very similar to TradingView. I would just move. I would maybe cancel my TradingView membership. I don't know. I don't know that I would need it anymore. If Go Charting has all the functions that I need to operate on there, just move that same cost over to Go Charting. There might be an additional cost for CQG data, but that's pretty low. It's like $12 a month or something like that. They're adding more props now. Okay, there you go. Quantower guy. So Quantower is rhythmic, right? Isn't Quantower a rhythmic feed? Go Charting will add the rhythmic feed availability right back up into this range, guys. Wow. Swept the bottom of that range and then immediately right back up into this range. And we still don't have any crazy... We still don't have any crazy like news coming out right now. I mean, other than just the hour rollover here. Dip down, dip right back up. A gold level to buy. Yeah, I can't give you any advice on anything really. I'm here for entertainment purposes only, my friend. You're gonna have to do your own analysis. I only pull up the gold charts and the silver charts when someone asks, and I just try to give some type of technical analysis here. Had a sharp drop off this morning, chopped all morning long, popped up at the end of the afternoon, and now we're just consolidating. You know, I don't know if you would use VWAP as an entry point or not, but you get a strong close above VWAP, maybe that's a little retest of that might be where you would potentially look to buy. But I'm not a gold trader, and I'm not here for giving out signals or levels to buy or sell from on that. Will there be alerts in copy trading? I don't know. I'm not sure. TradingView doesn't have copy trading abilities either, so you still have to, even if you were a copy trader, you would still need to have a secondary copy trading platform, whether that's like TradeSyncer or Replicanto or whatever it might be. It would be, maybe it would be really cool to add on if a trading platform like that offered a really nice copier as well, but I would assume alerts would be standard. I mean, alerts to me are kind of standard for any platform. Matt says their new push at Go Charting is to be very compatible with the prop experience, so they will be having all sorts of prop features. So there you go. Tony B busted. Uh-oh. Pumping, no rallying, pumping more. Dude, this freaking chop right now, heading back to the top of the range. Sweep the leg, Johnny. Sweep the leg, Johnny. That's all we did right there. Man, how do you even pick a direction off of this right now? How do you even freaking pick a direction off of this right now? Gringo Loco? Does Asia suck because I tried it 2 nights in a row? Maybe you're the problem, my friend. Maybe you should log off so the rest of us, so Asia can finally act normal. I truly think that this is probably more normal for Asia in general, is to find some tight, choppy ranges and build liquidity. The last 2 weeks, Asia has been printing beautiful setups. So, yeah, I don't know. Johnny, you're a cream puff. Flip a coin. I need to get Lady Darb back in here and just tell her what, just say, hey, babe, just top of your head, say buy or sell. Go Charting has a 10-minute delay because you don't have the live data feed. When you have a prop firm, TradingView also has a 10-minute delay if you're not paying for a subscription with live data feed. So they're all going to have a delay. If you're Tolter, every platform you have is going to have a delayed feed if you're not paying a subscription for it. Ask the Wick Tickler. He knows. That's right. Where is Mike? I need Mike to write me a Wick Tickler song. He was in here last night and then he disappeared and I haven't seen him back tonight. But Mike, if you're watching, Mike writes the funniest songs and I feel like Wick Tickler, just the title itself is right up his alley. Thanks, Ringo Loco. Appreciate you taking one for the team, man. Let the cat trade? Nah. It is a waiting game for me tonight. I'm very happy that I was able to snap up that quick buy off that quick sell right at the open and lock in my 5th and final minimum profit trading day to lock in a payout tomorrow. So super happy about that. And we are on day 2. We're on day 2. Actually, now we're on day 3 of we need 5 minimum days of $100 profit. I'm not just going for $100 profit, by the way. You can see I'm trying to build the account, but if I don't have a really strong bias and I'm just going to take a scalp because I'm not the environment, if I don't believe the environment is going to be conducive for me to catch a driving trade in my direction, I'm happy with locking in a minimum profit day and moving on. So there'll be other days in the next 3 or 4 days that I'll have another opportunity to put some size on and build a bigger buffer, but always looking to try to lock in a minimum day if I can. Smash that like button, guys. We need 20 more likes. 20 more likes and we will do our first giveaway of the night. So smash that like button for me if you would, please. It takes less than a second. Just slide that finger right over, slide that mouse right over if you're watching the computer. Let's get it going. We need 20 more. Madeline and C Wiz are in heaven right now with the scalpers. Sell the top, buy the bottom. They are just they're buying everybody's beers tonight. A round of beers on Madeline and C Wisdom. Dave Mack, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. How are you? I'm Liquidity. Brad, you're a fan of Southern Blues soul music? Oh yeah, of course. Had a new Suno song I was gonna drop in the Discord. Throw it up. Throw it in there, man. I'll go grab it and take a listen. Tony B says, I love this stream even though I busted my account. Well, I'm sorry you busted your account, but I do appreciate you being here and I'm glad you like the stream. I have said this from the very beginning. When you watch this stream, I don't know how much trading you or I will do when you watch this stream, but I hope that you become a better trader because you watch the stream. That's really my goal and my hope. If I can be of some help and service to you, if you just find fading me is the best option and the best opportunity for you to grow your account, by all means, fade away. But hopefully just the psychology, the strategy, the teaching, the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, all of that, hopefully ends up for all of us pushing us forward in our journey. C-Wiz says, I got that green but stopped early. Stop typing, man. Scalp away, bro. This is scalper's heaven right here. I Am Liquidity says song is in the Discord. It's kind of funny because it's a song for Red Days. Okay, cool. Let's go listen. We'll turn off the theme song. Let me go over here. Song submission. Somebody posting MT4. I got to get rid of this guy. Hold on. All right, that's gone. We had a little scammer in the song submission channel. How to get rid of him. All right, here's Kyle's song. I Am Liquidity. Market Keeps Hurting Me. Let's take a listen. Little blues. I'm gonna turn it up. I have to turn it up on my end so I can listen.
Mud on my boots, screens in the dark.
197 likes, guys. 3 more likes and we'll do our first giveaway. 3 more. I have faith in you. I'm going to go ahead and get Wheel of Names up here.
Talking, keep counting. Funded. They said all you gotta do is win. Now everything
3 more likes. Come on, smash that like button.
in my skin. Took that first loss, thought I'll get it right back. Then the spread slipped sideways like a knife in my back. The market keeps hurting me, but I won't quit. I won't quit. Handshake on the trigger, but I still sit.
206. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Let's
They can drag me down. I won't give them the rest.
let's see. What are we giving away? We're doing a funded next 25K rapid account. The keyword for this giveaway is going to be, let's do
Talking to the chart like it's some hungry guy.
nah, let's not do that. I need a good keyword. What's a good keyword? Chop. We did chop last night.
Voices in my head overlapping, out of tune. Close it now, hold it now. All howling at the moon.
Range, barcode, Friday night, Lady Darb. Keyword is keyword. I like it. The keyword is keyword. Oh yeah, there we go. Keyword is keyword. Type it in. Type it in. Keyword is keyword. It's like, what's your password? Password is password. All right, so we're giving away a 25K funded next rapid account. We've been giving away a lot of these accounts. These are really, really nice accounts, y'all. It's 1 day to pass. No consistency on the eval side. Once you're funded, it's 40% consistency. So you can go from eval to payout in 4 days. I'm not necessarily suggesting that you try to do that, but it's possible. Password 123. It's possible to go from eval to payout in 4 days on these rapid accounts. They are really good. Funded Next also has a guarantee 24-hour payout, or they give you an extra $1,000 on your payout. Very solid firm. I was trading the crap out of these rapid accounts back in the fall when they were first coming online, when they had uncapped payouts, 100% profit split. I pulled out a lot of cash from those. All right, type it in. I'm going to give you about another minute and a half. Another minute and a half while we listen to I Am Liquidity's song here.
I won't quit. Handshake on the trigger, but I still sit. I still sit. Every red line caught in my chest.
If you're just joining the stream and you're wondering why everybody's typing keyword, it's because they're putting their name in for a drawing to be entered into a giveaway for a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. If you would like to be entered into that drawing, you also can type keyword into chat and the bot will pick you up. And then we'll spin the wheel here in just a minute to see who will be the winner. Man, we're just dropping back down here. This is crazy. I mean, we are just tight. We are locked tight. Locked tight. Where do we go from here, chat? How do you confidently put a trade on right now? Did we get some news? Dan's my news guy. Supermicro co-founder, employee, and contractor smuggled NVIDIA chips to China. U.S. prosecutors charge. Ooh. Some blue-collar espionage going on. I like the song. I like the vibe of it. It was really nice, dude. I don't know that I would change much to it. Make some more. Make some more. It does seem like a stronger push down right now than we've had recently. That's a fairly healthy sell-off compared to the range we've been stuck in. Let's see if ES can push down to MHP and what kind of reaction we get down there. I mean, do I put on... let me go to... Let me go to my eval, my new eval. We'll get the new eval worked up here. I'll put on, it's a pretty tight range. I'm fine with putting 5 micros on there for an eval. Play it a little more aggressively. See if we can get down to MHP. This is the only MHP is an EST every single time. EST is every single time. So if we get down here, I will take this buy every single time off of MHP. I don't know if Webull is any good to scalp futures. I have no idea. I've never used Webull, not one time. I don't know what their trading environment is like. All right, guys, let me get over here to my bot. Where are we at? 18 seconds. 18 seconds. 13. Last chance to type it in, and then we're going to spin the wheel for our Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Get rid of all those names. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Grabbing all the users. All right, you can stop typing. You're either in or you're not. You can stop typing. All right, let me shuffle it up here. We're shuffling it all up, and we're going to spin right now for a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Here we go. The winner is Adelia. Adelia, congratulations. You're the winner of a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Type something in chat. There you go. I see you. I see you. I see you. Congrats. I know you know how to do this. So to go claim your prize, you're going to go into the Discord, go to contest, find our admin named Slacks, let him know that you won tonight, send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. I know you've won here before, so I think you know how to get all that done, but Slacks will hook you up. Congratulations. Rigged. Rigged. Hitcha. That's not how you spell my name. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Don't give up, guys. We have a futures desk. We have a futures desk $200 credit to give away if we get to 300 likes. So smash that like button. If you're just joining the stream, smash that like button. We've already had 2,000 people into the stream tonight, and we're just an hour and a half in. So that's fantastic. As you pop in, smash that like button. Let's get those likes up. 300 likes. We'll do our next giveaway. A $200 credit to the futures desk. I've got a limit order set on my eval, my new Lucid Flex eval down here, for 5 micros if we get to MHP. So I'm buying if we get to MHP. Otherwise, I'm sitting on my hands, not pushing any buttons, just hanging out with you guys, you wonderful people. You won a giveaway a few weeks ago. Nice. If you're just joining the stream, my name is Brad. I am the night shift host on the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. Matt is the founder of this channel. Started it about 10 years ago. One of the very first live futures day traders on YouTube. The Discord community that we have is the oldest day trading futures Discord in existence. It's one of the best communities you're ever going to be a part of. About 2 months ago, Matt hired 2 new streamers to help him out. He had been streaming all day long and just they're working on so many other things behind the scenes, and he was like, man, I need some other guys to help shoulder the load. He put out an invitation for people to submit audition tapes from the community if they would like to be considered to be one of the new streamers. My wife convinced me to do an audition tape, and somehow, out of the hundreds of audition tapes that were submitted, I ended up being one of the finalists that he picked to join the team, and I am extremely humbled and extremely grateful to be here every single night with you guys, Sunday night through Thursday night, 7 Eastern to 10 o'clock. So Matt streams in the morning. He's doing a $100K to $1 million challenge. He just locked in half of his overall profit. I think he pulled out $200,000 or $300,000 today just to keep that part of the challenge safe. And he left like 250,000 in, and he's gonna keep going on up to $1 million. So he's already locked in several $100,000 on that already. But he's streaming on that every single day in the mornings. He comes on about 8:30, streams all the way through lunch. Our friend Neon is the other new streamer, and Neon is fantastic. I love listening to Neon. That dude is so smart and so chill. Just great perspective and great teacher. And he streams from about 1:30 until market close. And then, of course, like I said, I'm here every single night. And we do giveaways all day long. We probably give away 8 to 10 accounts every single day, and that doesn't even include all of the Rocket Scooter trading education boot camps that we give away as well. The night shift, I think, Slacks is going to have to do the math for me, but I'm pretty sure the night shift currently, since we've started streaming, holds the record for most boot camp giveaways, even between Matt and Neon. I think we've given away more boot camps than those two guys combined. I bet. The stream here on the night shift is one of the most generous communities. People in here donate boot camps all of the time, and every time someone donates a boot camp, Matt matches it by 3. So every one boot camp equals 4 giveaways. And man, I think one night we gave away like 50 boot camps because people just kept donating boot camps over and over and over. Last night we gave 12 away. The night before that we gave 4 or 8 away. I don't even remember. But yeah, it's a really cool place. You need to hang out. What price is MFP? Do you mean MHP? On ES, MHP is at 6660. It's that 666 number right there. We're hovering around 666. It's holding. 6666 is acting as support at the moment. See if we can break that evil number. Hit you just a bunch of beautiful bastards on this channel. Kaliava says, why buy? Can you explain? I just came. Matt did 100 in a day? No, he didn't. Not since we've been streaming. Did he? Since we've been streaming? I don't think so, Slacks. Maybe I'm wrong. Nah, yeah, not since we've been streaming. I think I have beat both of them combined on the bootcamp giveaways. I'm kind of proud of that. You just came? Ooh. Somebody said, why buy? So my entry is at the dynamic monthly hedge pressure line. This is a rocket scooter level that we put on before the session of where a high volume pivot will be. It doesn't necessarily mean it will be bullish, but if you stick around and you learn how to trade the rocket scooter strategy, you'll learn that MHP, when price is approaching above MHP, that's pretty much an EST. That's what we call EST, every single time position. So if price does break through this little area of consolidation, that's where I would look to be buying off of tonight. So if it rallies from here and doesn't give me my entry, fine, I'm not going to chase. If it hits it and drops through, I'll hold for probably 10 points-ish. I'm willing to hold that for about 10 points. And then we can get an overshoot, especially in the volatility we've had, especially in the New York session. We get volatility. We could get an overshoot, and then it rallies off of that. Look at that. See what I'm talking about? Some complete stranger called Drops Homestead just donated $20. He says I never donate. I'm telling you guys, Drops has a boot camp streak, donation streak going. That's pretty impressive. Here I go. I feel myself getting loud. This is what they're talking about. I know they're out there judging me. Here he goes. He's getting loud. I gotta settle down. I get excited, man. I get excited. I'm passionate about this. I love doing this with you guys. Drops, thank you so much, my friend. Drops just donated a boot camp. Matt's gonna match it ×3. I bet Drops has donated 20 boot camps. I bet Drops has donated 20 boot camps in the last month. Matt only has more because he 3x's what everybody does. Yeah, Drops is quickly ramping up to be the most. I think Slacks actually has a memorial wall in one of our files where he keeps track of all the donators. I'd be interested to see where Drops is at on that. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that as always. Tolter, how do you get a boot camp? We will do a giveaway here in just a minute. We'll type in a new keyword. I usually save those towards the end of the stream once we get our likes up and after we've done our prop account giveaways. We'll save those boot camps after we get those done. So to do our next prop account giveaway, the $200 credit to the futures desk, we've got to get to 300 likes. So we're about 240 right now, so we've got about 60 more likes to go. You guys smash that like button. Smash that like button if you would for me. Let's get those numbers up and then we'll be able to do our $200 credit giveaway. Kurt Nichols is asking, what time do you have the boot camps? That's a great question. So there's two different ways you can do the boot camp. One is you can wait for the live boot camp sessions. Matt teaches those. There's 20 lessons. It's 20 days straight. As soon as the market closes, Matt fires up inside Discord. We'll post a Zoom link. And if you're part of the live boot camp, you can go in there every day for 20 days. And he walks you through that day's lesson. It's fantastic education. It completely turned my trading around from being basically a break-even trader to being consistently profitable and consistently reaching payouts over and over again. And I know many other people have had that same experience. Of course, we can't guarantee that for anybody. It's all based on the individual trader putting the work in and applying the principles, but it is a fantastic education. It's a $20. It costs $20. If you don't win one, you can just pay it. It's $1 a day. It's so cheap. It's worth 100 times that. But the other way you can do it is you can go buy it right now. All of the last boot camp that we did, all of those videos are on our Discord channel. You can go in and you can start watching those immediately as soon as you either win or buy the boot camp right now. So it's $20. It's $1 a day. People donate them all the time. They donate them to complete strangers to be able to go in and get just some fantastic trading education. I saw a guy today on Matt's stream. It was either Matt's stream or Neon's. I think it was Matt's stream this morning. I saw a comment from someone who had taken the boot camp, and it said that they had their Series 7 license and had a degree in finance, and that the trading education inside was unlike anything they had received as a professional in their educated career, like from like schooling and the Series 7 studies and all that. And it was incredibly helpful. So I'm not the only one that has had that same experience. I don't know if anybody else saw that Homestead. I saw Drops Homestead. If anybody else saw that comment in Matt's stream today, but you can watch them on replay. Yes, Dude Monkey, they are absolutely available on replay. You can watch them at your own leisure, at your own speed. Now, we would recommend, and I know Matt would recommend, that you just watch one per day. If you try to do too much, it's like trying to take a drink from a water hose. There's just so much coming at you. And it's not that it's super complicated. Once you start going through the videos, like things start to click, and it's not like crazy complicated, but there is quite a bit of information to kind of digest and process. And so we would recommend just watch one video a day, let it process, then do the next one the next day, and they just build on each other. I know a lot of people say that after you've watched the first 2 or 3, you can kind of go in and start applying concepts and principles of this platform pretty quickly and see some results. I know other people have done that. I'm not saying everyone can, but a lot of people have. Kurt Nichols, the next live boot camp, I don't think Matt has set an official date other than he has vaguely said the end of March. So I don't know exactly what that means. We're a couple weeks away from the end of March. But if you pop onto his stream, or if he's still watching, he might have a date that he can throw in the chat. Otherwise, I would just tune into his stream in the mornings, and you can ask him if he has a more solid date on when the next live boot camp will start. So in the next couple of weeks is what generally I would say. The link to the boot camp? Yeah, sure. Hold on. I got it right here for you. One sec. I got you right here. You can go right there and you can buy the boot camp, or you can subscribe to all of the tools, the Rocket Scooter tools. The first month to use Rocket Scooter, all of the trading platform tools itself, is $99. And then it's $149 each month after that. All right, we're up to 246 likes. We're slowly creeping up. Smash that like button for me, guys. MHP, Ray Check, stands for monthly hedge pressure. That is the actual definition of MHP, monthly hedge pressure. Monthly hedge pressure is derived from the maximum gamma exposure from dealer options. So we dig into the options market for SPY, for ES, and QQQ for NQ. And we're able to, through the Rocket Scooter tools, identify the dealer options from the maximum gamma exposure model. And that is then run through the algorithm, and then we automatically, you don't have to draw these lines. The platform does the math for us and puts on the chart where monthly hedge pressure will be. And it also calculates where the weekly hedge pressure will be. And when price reaches those areas, sometimes to the tick, massive volume comes in as dealers begin to hedge positions at that specific price level. I Am Liquidity says, I spoke to my father about rocket scooter concepts, and he confirmed that they are based in the same concepts on how big funds trade. My dad worked for Bear Stearns, JP Morgan, Lehman, Bridgewater. That's awesome. I Am Liquidity says, cannot recommend the boot camp enough. It won't make you a trading god overnight, but if you're struggling in this market, there is no better place to learn. There you go. Kurt says, listen to my song. I sent the link above. Kurt, you can't post any links. Your links aren't visible in the YouTube chat. If you want, you can post anybody can post their song submissions in the song submission channel. If it's about trading, we can listen to it. If it's just generally your own song, I would probably say push pause on that. Front month is the June contract, the M contract. Near the arc light, what is MHP? I literally just described MHP. Did you miss that whole explanation? You can rewind the stream about 3 minutes and listen to exactly what MHP is. It's monthly hedge pressure. Matt was an engineer, chemical engineer. He actually taught engineering at University of Houston, worked as an engineer, and then got laid off in, I think it was around 2008 or 10 or something like that. I can't remember what exact year, but ended up getting laid off and took his severance package. And this may not be 100% accurate on every detail, but took part of his severance package and started day trading and built Rocket Scooter out over the years, used his math background to build out the algorithms that calculate all these levels. No, it's okay, Kurt, it's fine. But we do have a song submission channel in the Discord that anybody can post a song. If it's about Rocket Scooter or day trading, like all the music you're listening to now, tonight it's all of the music that I've made through AI using Suno, and it's all just trading songs. It's just good to have. It's just good to have in the background, good music to listen to while we're sitting here chilling. Mike Hawksmall, thank you, dude. Cool. Hey, Mike, I need your songwriting expertise. I need a wick tickler song. So a couple nights ago, I was tickling some wicks. I caught the bottom tick on a great run up, and everybody's like, "Oh, Brad's the wick tickler." I need a wick tickler song, and as soon as I heard it, I was like, Mike has got to write me a wick tickler song. There's no one more specifically gifted for that genre of tune than Mike Farina. Mike who? Mike Hawksmall? Did you not see his name? Mike Hawksmall? Can you write me a wick tickler song, Mike? What's up, Vimokun? Thanks, Mike. Whip one out, baby. It doesn't have to be tonight. If you need to take your time on it, let it marinate a little bit. But I think a wick tickler tune it's like a perfect Mike Hawksmall song. Whip it up and whip it out. That's right. Is anybody making any money in this crappy chop that we're in right now? Got him! I know Neon won't say his name. He just says Mike H. I want to read all the handles. They're your names. You guys put a lot of effort and energy into your handles. Trying to, nope. Close $2 in profit. Short with $5 profit. Dan's $250 tonight, but it was on that ramp up. Got out just in time. Mike just passed 5 Lucid Flex evals. Sweet. In Vanderos, 250 times 4. Scalped golden oil. Very happy to get over the overnight trade yesterday. Yeah. You like the chart colors? Cool. Thank you. I can't do green and red. Green and red, they make me, they just upset me. I don't like how they make me feel, and they hurt my eyes after a while just watching green and red all the time. I said earlier that blue is like a masculine, because blue candles go up, right? They're masculine, they're strong. Pink candles are more feminine, they go down. They're weaker. So blue and pink, boy and girl, right? Like, that's why I use them. I think they look pretty. China opens in 10 minutes, might shake things up. Hopefully. God, this is brutal. 15 point range. 15-point range on ES. There's the Tokyo Tick song. 77-point range on NQ. I got my limit order set at MHP. I'm just chilling. Nah, my wife and kid, they're out watching a movie. I don't know. They go down. They're weaker. Red candles. Pink is the girl color. It's the weaker. It's the weaker of the two. Feminine. It's just softer. Mike Hawksmall, this is the name I used for to-go orders because it's linked to my email. And you had a very sweet old Korean lady say my name the other day. Mike, I have a friend of mine that collects these names. And he loves... Like, he is always trying to test out new names on me that are like that. And they're freaking hilarious. I love it. I think it's awesome. Red and purple. All right, red and purple. I could go with red and purple. The green and red just, they irritate me. I don't know why. The green and red colors just irritate me. Levi, let me grab my girl. Hey, you see these candles? Come on, baby, be a candle. Wild Deuce says, doesn't price action typically crash into and below a little bit of MHP? Nah. I mean, my experience is that it depends on the volatility of the market that you're in, the environment. In a very volatile environment, you will typically tend to see an overshoot. In a normal, healthy, non-volatile market, you will see an undershoot or a to the tick V on MHP. You should. Not will, I guess. Will is the wrong word, but more likely to, statistically speaking. Any good entry point at 66.58? I'm looking for 66.61 for my entry right off of MHP if we do in fact get a push down. Hey, we're at 309. Let's go, guys. You got the likes up. Fantastic. Way to go. All right, we're going to do a giveaway for a $200 credit to the futures desk. The futures desk is really cool. If you've never been part of the futures desk and you don't know what the futures desk is about, they have these really cool customizable accounts. And so what we're going to do is give you guys $200 to spend on one of these accounts. So you can either use the Project X TFDX platform, or you can use Rhythmic. They have end of day drawdown types and they have static drawdown types. They have a one step, they have static, and they have direct to funded, I believe. So let's just say you wanted to do a end of day and you wanted to do like this 25K starter. It's a $49 one-time purchase. And then you can click customize this plan, and it gives you these sliders. You're like, hey, I don't like having $1,000 drawdown. I want $1,750. And you can see the price adjust. I don't like having one mini. I want at least 2 minis to trade, and you can see the price adjust. There's a daily loss limit of 350. Nah, I don't like that. I want 700. You can see the price increase. Days to live. I don't want to trade for 12 days. I only want to trade for 8 days. Okay, now it's gone up to a 50K equivalent, to that drawdown, to these contract size, to that daily loss limit, to that. And so you can really customize out your plan the way you like it. You're like, no, I don't want end of day. I want to go static. Well, you can do the same thing, right? So it's a really cool concept. I have yet to trade with these guys yet. But I know a lot of people, we've given away a lot of these $200 credits to people. They're really good. They currently static pricing is 75% off. If you use code Rocket Scooter, you can take advantage of that. So yeah, that's what we're giving away. Need a new keyword. Let me get my keyword picker up here. What's our new keyword gonna be, guys? How about rigged? Rigged it is. I like it. Rigged. Type in the word rigged. I love it. Type in rigged if you want to be entered into the drawing. Type in the word rigged if you want to be entered into the drawing for a $200 credit to the futures desk. I'll give you guys a few minutes to type that in. You made a Wick Tickler song in the Discord? All right, we'll go listen to it. I want Mike to do one too. I know I'm not Mike, but I figured you'd throw your hat in the ring. Cool, we'll listen to it in a minute. I just like the way Mike's brain works with these kinds of songs. I know it's going to be completely inappropriate, and I can't wait to hear it. If we get to 400 likes, I'm going to give away 8 boot camps. Drops Homestead donated 1 boot camp already, so that's 4. And if we get to 400 likes, I'll donate 1 and Matt will match it. That'll be 4 more. So we'll give away 8 boot camps tonight if we get to 400 likes. If we don't get to 400 likes, I'll still give mics away for sure. But if we get to 400, I'll double it. Five-minute Suno prompt. I was gonna say, dude, that was really quick. That was a really quick Suno turnaround. We'll hear what it sounds like. My daughter made me chicken sausage spinach mac. It's really good. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute. 1 more minute to type in the word rigged. 1 more minute. If you're just joining the stream, we're giving away a $200 credit to the futures desk prop firm, where you can customize and build your own evaluation or static account from end of day or static. And the keyword is rigged. That's why everyone is typing rigged into the chat. It is really good. Packed with protein, chicken, sausage, spinach, mac. That's it, baby. We've had a very quiet news night. Tsunami warning system? Not expected for the United States Atlantic, Gulf, or Pacific coasts after a 6.7 quake strikes South Shetland Islands. Well, at least there won't be any tsunami warning. That's good, but that's scary. Where are the South Shetland Islands at? I've never heard of such islands before in my life. All right, 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. I want to listen to my new song. Oh, this is it. This is my new song. Trade the Plan. I like this tune. I'm gonna turn it up a bit. All right, we're grabbing the names. Let me get all this over here. Don't you do that to me. I hate that. All right, let me get rid of all these guys. This was the old drawing. Let me grab all the names. You can stop typing now. Your name is in or it's not. I've got all of the users right here. You guys can stop typing. 206. Well done, well done. All right, we're shuffling up. And we're going to spin the wheel for a $200 credit to the futures desk. Good luck, guys. Here we go. The winner is Blockchain Fame 007. Congrats. Type something in chat. Blockchain Fame, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. A group of Antarctic islands? Oh, that's way far away. Blockchain Fame 007, type something in chat. Let me know you're here, buddy. There you go. I see you. All right, Blockchain Fame, you're going to go into the Discord, which you can find in the description of this video. You can find a link to our Discord in the description of this video. There, you're going to go into the contest channel, and you're going to message our admin named Slacks. Let him know you won the Futures Desk drawing in Brad's stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and probably going to need to have an email set up with the Futures Desk probably, but he'll let you know. Message him and he'll hook you up. Congratulations. Hope you enjoy that customizable evaluation. So rigged right off the tip of Antarctica. Is it really? Why do you think there would be a 6.7 earthquake at the tip of Antarctica right now? That seems kind of suspicious, don't you think? Don't you think? All right, volume spike incoming, rollover. China interest rate came out as expected. 5-year actual 3.5, forecast 3.5. 1 year 3.0, forecast 3.0. China sets 1 year loan prime rate at 3 point compared with 3% a month earlier. Saudi Arabia sees a spike to $180 oil if energy shock persists past April. $180 if this goes past April. Is this thing gonna go past April? Do y'all think this is gonna go past April? 6 more weeks? Maybe. Dang. That's kind of crazy. UFO, solar maximum, dinosaurs coming back to life, aliens, nuke test, Vimmelkum. That's what I was thinking, nuke test. It was just the tip. Just the tip. The aliens are breaking out of Antarctica. They're coming to the surface. That is an apocalyptic global recession, $180 a barrel. That's not how you pronounce Captain. Sorry, Captain. My bad. Penguins ate at Taco Bell. I love this chat. You guys are awesome. All right, we're gonna listen to I Am Liquidity's Wick Tickler song. This took him 5 minutes, so don't judge.
Well, I lit up a candle at 3:15. Said tonight, lads and lasses, the drinks trade is free. Took a shot at the top as I winked at St. Nick, but the price did a jig and it tickled the wick. Hey! Oh, the wick tickler, sly little trickster, tap, 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 and as the candles flicker, in, out, gone in a click. Raise your glass high to the tickle of the wick. Hey!
The tickle of the wick. Megatron is busting out of Antarctica right now.
Like a sober old sage, then I chased every move like a rat in a cage. Thought I'd ride a great wave, just a quick little flick. Then it nipped me behind, just a tickle of the wick. Hey! Oh, the wick tickler, sly little trickster. Tap, 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 and as the candles flicker up, in, out, gone in a click. Raise your glass high to the tickle of the wick.
What a great stream tonight, man. Price action has absolutely sucked. Chat's on fire, stream's on fire tonight. Songs are on fire. I love you guys.
One more trade, this is it, that's the drug genius trick. Then the market leaned over and ticked.
Traders hymn on St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, the wick tickler, sly little trickster. Tap, 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 and as the candles flicker in, out, gone in a click. Raise your glass high to the tickle of the wick.
The tickle of the wick. Raise your glass high to the tickle of the wick. I love it.
If I stop, I get stopped. If I stay, I get stuck. If I run, I get run down by leprechaun luck. So I toast every
Getting a little pump here, back into the middle of the range.
wild little line that'll tickle your wick. Hey! Oh, the wick tickler, sly little trickster. Tap, 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 and as the candles flicker in, out, gone in a click. Raise your glass.
How'd you know I have a glass eye? Cool tune, man. I like it. I like the kind of the pirate saloon vibe there. That's nice. Well done. Thanks for throwing that in there. I'm looking forward to hearing Mike's, but that's also a good option. So thank you, buddy. The Wick Tickler just gave me Irish pub sea shanty vibes. Yeah, I can see that.
Trapped in a cage, the 9 to 5 to wait. Prop for my freedom, I'm sealing my fate. Rocket scooters call the light in the
Captain Jack says, Sir Darb, I have a song request. Liquidity Lightning? Oh, yeah. We'll play it next. If you get enough money, you're buying a yacht and naming it the Wick Tickler. That is a great boat name. How can we get Matt? Nah, Matt's already got some options. Listen, when I buy my first supercar, how can I spell Wick Tickler to make it fit? Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. How do you spell WCK-TCK? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because you only get 7, right? I guess you could get 8. If you could get 8 on there. Wick Tickler. How about Wick Tickler? WIKTLR. What's up, babe? I have not seen them. Where did you put them? They in the car? They might be in the car. No, it's okay. Thanks. Wick Tickler. Wick Tickler. Find time to walk in.
No chains can bind, I'm forging my soul. From the grind
It's like rubbing the genie lamp. Where's my wick tickler? And here comes Lady Darb. Whoa! Wickler? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright, Liquidity says, dude, I genuinely have so much fun in these streams just for moments like that. I'm telling you, dude. This stream, I have so much fun hanging with you guys, but the stuff that just naturally vibes out of here is fantastic. I love it. When are you going to let the cat trade? There's no cats in the room right now, so... Dan says, bro, this is insane. All night your limit order has been sitting down there and we haven't gotten near it. Not one time. We got close. We got to how close did we get? We got 4 points away. 5 points. We were within 5 points. And that's crazy because we've only been in a 15 point range all night. I'm with you, Dan. It's absolutely insane. I'm Liquidity says, even when price is absolute cheeks, we still got tons of people in an active chat. Yeah. Trading after dark. It's what it looks like. Dr. VJ3000 says, God only knows how long the war will go on. Trump asked Congress for 200 billion. Did he? Oh, we got to get, I said Liquidity Lightning. Somebody asked for Liquidity Lightning. Here's Liquidity Lightning. It's a good tune. You busted your funded 30 minutes ago and you're still here? Well, I'm glad you're still hanging out, man. We need you. If you haven't yet, smash that like button. We're trying to keep our 400 like streak going. We're 2 in a row. We had a 10-day 400 like streak going. We broke it on Monday night. And we got it back last night or 2 nights ago. I can't remember. We got it back either I think we're 2 nights in. This would be 3 in a row. I can't remember. We're trying to keep it going. We're trying to keep it going. We're at 335, so we got to some work to do. And if we get to 400, I will double Drop's bootcamp donation and we will give away 8 boot camps if we get to 400 likes. If we don't, it's okay. I'll still do the 4 that Drop donated earlier in the stream, and we'll do that in about 30 minutes. We'll do that about 30 minutes from now. But I think we can get to 400, man. Y'all smash that like button. Captain Jack says this is not a good tune. It's an awesome tune. Let's go. Drop says, no offense, but your lady is beautiful. You a lucky ball though, man. I am, dude. You guys have seen her. I outkicked the coverage on that one. I know I've told that story. I told that story like the first or second week I was streaming. Someone asked us how we met and I told the whole story and it's pretty awesome. It's too long to do it all the time, but it was basically love at first sight. We got engaged after 2 weeks. We got married after 6 months. We've been this coming December we'll be 30 years married, 4 kids, 2 of them married, 2 grandkids. It's been a freaking crazy ride. C-Wiz, have a good night. Have to head out. Good scalps. Thanks for being here, C-Wiz. Always love having you in here. We'll see you on Sunday night, my friend. No, I'm not bald. I'm not bald. I still got a thick head of hair. Wait, what did Mike say? Did I miss? I'm on top chat. Why am I on top chat? Mike says, working on the Wick Tickle song and my wife cringed when I said caught the bottom and then my pickle began to trickle. See, I knew I picked the right guy. I knew I picked the right guy. Or it was like Mike, LOL. I was like, what did Mike say? I didn't have it on live chat. Dadgummit, I've missed so much tonight. Any of the kids trade? No, none of them trade right now. None of them have even really like asked about it much. They're kind of all doing their thing. No, Kyle, your song was great. I've already heard this song tonight. We don't need it again. We need this. This is my jam. If y'all ever want to know, this is my jam every single time. Nafisa mod is long in ES. Nice. Check out Crude. What's happening in Crude? Some crazy action going on, Crude. Why does my chart look like that?
DMs blowing up.
Basically zero volume.
King dropped the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight. The truth. 9 years in the trenches in the fire.
Well, we're gonna break out. Are we stuck in our range? What are we gonna do, ladies and gentlemen? What's happening here?
Cracked open. This ain't luck. This is blood on the token.
Oh, did we switch to K on Crude? Is that why it was? Yeah, I haven't switched over yet. Let me get rid of that. There we go. Oh man, I didn't move over all my boxes. Shoot. Oil's coming down. No, I didn't put the tuck-in song on the Suno playlist. That's just for the stream, baby. That's stream-only content. We'll be interested to see what happens when oil gets down underneath that level right there, somewhere in there. See if it bounces again like it has. Man, we just couldn't reach down to MHP. 347 likes. About 50 more, guys. About 50 more likes. Let's go. At 41.5, they punch nights and weekends fight. Now I'm 50 and free to trade my life. Wasn't overnight. 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight. Side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight. Rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight. It wasn't overnight. Memory lane is a bridge, not a grave. It wasn't overnight. Rocket scooter mad. You a real one. Wasn't overnight. From the dark to the dream. It wasn't overnight. Yeah, we making it. Ain't going back. Never going back. Never going back. Let's see. Somebody was asking a question. Saint 909 says, you don't like building up a position as we approach levels, or do you prefer loading up strictly at one price? That's a great question. I do both. And it's really discretionary for me on that. I don't have a specific I don't have a specific way to decide how I do that other than just to say I just choose in the moment what I want. I know that may not be a super helpful answer for you, but for me, it's just discretionary. I do both. I probably, most of the time, I tend to just pick my level and wait for my level. Probably, let's say 65, 70% of the time. And, 30, 35% of the time, I'll build in anticipating an undershoot so that I get something if it decides to turn around before getting to my exact level. So I do both. Most of the time, I just pick my level and go with it. Drop says my bid on a short for gold didn't hit. Well, damn it. Are we wanting oil to drop so that ES and NQ pump? Is that what is that kind of the vibe in chat tonight? We want to see it drop. Now, why did that go back to the J contract? Oh, because I need to delete it and I need to add the K contract. That's right. Oops. I need to add it. Move that up here. We can get rid of yeah, we can get rid of this one. There we go. Levi Jones says, I think adjusting to VIX would be helpful. When VIX is lower, you can have one strict level. And when VIX is higher, you can split up your entry. So yeah, based on volatility, might be a better option. The more volatile it is, maybe split it up. And the less volatile it is, you can be really picky and get your price. Not a bad idea. I like the logic of that. Triple B308, because we're trading futures contracts. We're not trading the ongoing contract. So people who actually want to trade this position need to have that futures specific contract up. Check gold, man. We get to check gold about 3 times an hour. We get to check gold. Why? I always want to say why, and I'm not trying to be sarcastic, but why? It's stuck in a range for the last since 3 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. It's just stuck in this range. Why do you want me to check gold? I'm not in a trade. I have taken one position tonight, guys. You can see it right above my head. I took one position on NQ right at the open. We opened, gapped up. When we dropped, came back up. We rejected off of here. I got in and I closed it out up there. That's my one win. I've already traded tonight. I'm not currently in a trade. I do have a limit order set on ES at MHP. And if we get down there, it is an every single time setup. I have no idea whether it will actually work or not, but that's what trading is. None of us have any idea if it's actually going to work or not every time we put on a position. We frame a trade, we use our strategy, we operate the system the best we can, and then we let the market do whatever the market's going to do, and we have a way to manage that trade no matter what happens. Dumb money is long oil. Hoping for a push, a little pump off the bottom of this range here. ES coming back down. Does the Rocket Scooter code on TPT waive the 135 pro activation fee? Yes. So Carlosville, whatever that is. So when you use code Rocket Scooter, yes, it will. So when you pass your eval, the way that you activate your account on TPT, the way I understand it is they will send you a credit to use to pay the activation fee. If you pay the activation, when you go to pay the activation fee, you can choose, there's a drop-down menu on TPT that allows you to choose how you want to pay for your activation fee. So you have to wait until they credit your account with that credit. It's not typically immediate from what I understand. There's some time involved. It's not like a long time, but it's not like as soon as you pass, you have to you have to wait for their system to update basically, but they will credit your account with that activation fee. So when you go in and you pass your eval, you just choose credit and it will take care of that activation fee. If you pay the $135, I do believe they will refund you. If you get in contact with support, they'll refund that to you. But yes, the code does work. Yeah, these guys are saying it's normally 1 day after that your credit shows up. It's not typically immediate from what I understand. It's not like instantaneous. We're at 360 likes, guys. We need 40 more likes. We've got 30 minutes left in the stream. I would love to give away 8 boot camps tonight. We're for sure giving away, guaranteed we're giving away 4 because Drops Homestead donated one earlier tonight. Try and fade me, see what happens. Smash that like button, guys. We got almost 300 people watching. Welcome to the stream if you're just joining us. So glad that you guys are with us tonight. My name is Brad. I'm here every single night with you, the host of the Night Shift, here on the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel, where we show people how to trade with the Rocket Scooter platform. We're here every single night, Sunday night through Thursday night. This is the last Night Shift stream of the week. Market will be closed tomorrow night. We'll be back on Sunday night, per usual, 7 p.m. Eastern. I had to think about that for a second. But smash that like button. We've already given away 2 prop accounts tonight, and we're about to give away some Rocket Scooter boot camps, which, in my opinion, easily top 3 best education, if not top trading education for futures day trading on the planet. That's my personal opinion. Smash it, guys. Smash it like. Matt Keeper says, Brad, thanks for everything you do. Best night stream on YouTube. Thank you so much, Matt Keener. I appreciate that, buddy. I really do. That means a lot to me. You guys show up here all the time. Like I said, you may not trade a lot when you watch the stream, but hopefully you become a better trader because you watch. And tonight, price action has just been absolute trash. We have been in a 15-point chop all night long, and yet somehow we've still had just an incredible stream. I mean, go figure. Sakti Kumar, there is no way to enter currently because we are not currently doing a giveaway. We're waiting. We need 30 more likes and we'll do a giveaway for the boot camps. 30 more likes. Smash that like button, guys. We'll be giving away 8 Rocket Scooter boot camps if we get to 400 likes. Tell your wife, tell your husband, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your son, your daughter, your cousins, your neighbors, your aunt, your uncle, your boss. Send them this link, tell them to get online and smash that like button. Oh my God. This guy. Drops Homestead just donated a second boot camp. So that's 4 more. So that's 8 guaranteed boot camps. If we get to 400, I'll throw 4 more in there, and that'll be 12 boot camps. We gave away 12 last night. Man, there's not going to be anybody in here that we're not going to have anybody to give boot camps to, Mike. Or Drops, sorry. I don't know if your name's Mike or not. I'd call you Drops. I don't know why. I picture you as a Mike. Or Steve. The next boot camp. Next boot camp is going to be huge. And most of them are going to be night shift. Most of them are going to be night shift. Your girlfriend's boyfriend and your wife's boyfriend too. Woo! 380. We're getting closer. 19 more likes. 19 more likes, guys. Smash it. Come on. We're doing 8. 100% guaranteed. I'm going to give away 8 boot camps courtesy of your friend Drops Homestead. Once again, donating a couple boot camps tonight. If we get to 400, I'll add 4 more and we'll do 12. We got 30 more minutes and we need 15 more likes. We're so close. Yeah. He donates them and then he enters. He enters after he donates and puts his name in the drawing and then wins them. And then I'm like, bro, you can't win your own boot camp. I mean, I guess technically he could. If you win tonight, Drops, I'll give it to you. Drops has been trading full time since like 2005. Like, not saying he wouldn't benefit from the boot camp, but this dude's an OG futures day trader. Tickle that like button. Chat full of some ticklers tonight. Wait a minute, you said you would match me? I guess technically I did say I would match you, didn't I? All right. I will donate 2 boot camps. That means I will match you. If we get 8 more likes, I will match Drops' donation of 2 boot camps. That means 8 more. So that's 16 total. Gabe, you missed us watching paint dry in a 15-point range on ES. You missed the Wick Tickler song. You missed Drops donating 2 boot camps and me matching them now. Is it really, Dick? No, it's not. I feel like you're my dad's name is Dick. It's Richard. I feel like you're pulling my chain. All right, mods. Please. Thank you. Is your first name Bob and your last name Homer? Drops Homestead. The BDH. Drop the Suno playlist. Yeah. Absolutely, bro. I got you. There you go. 396 likes. Oh my gosh, we're gonna do it. Smash the like button, guys. We need 4 more likes, and we'll do 16. We'll be giving away 16 rocket scooter boot camps, and we're gonna use ChatGPT for this because we're not gonna spin the wheel 16 times. We're so close. 397. 397. Smash it, smash it, smash it. If you want to be Drops, I'm going to let Drops pick the keyword. Drops, what's the keyword going to be? You get to pick tonight, man. What's your keyword? I think his stream might be a little behind. Drops, we'll just go with Drops if he's not going to answer. I think his stream's not caught up to the live yet. I think he's behind us just a little bit. I think I woke the baby up. I'm going to get in trouble. I got too loud. He hasn't answered yet. I don't know what it's going to be. 407. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much for getting us over 400 again. Keeping the streak alive. Let's go. Not kidding, LOL. Drops, I think you're behind, man. Here, I'm going to tag him. At Drops Homestead. I don't know. Y'all keep typing Drops. Oh, we're at the top of the range. Is something going to happen tonight? I don't know if the keyword is Drops, but y'all keep typing Drops. Oh, there you go. Oh, Drops is the keyword. Is that the keyword you want to go with? Okay. I got you. Drops is the keyword. DROPS. Got you. Type in Drops. We're going to give away 16 boot camps tonight, guys. Drops donated 2. I matched him. Type in Drops, and you'll be entered into the giveaway to win a rocket scooter boot camp. Some of the best trading education that I have ever had. And I think there's a lot of people that are in chat right now that would probably agree with me on that. We're going to give away 16. 16 of you are going to walk away with access to the 1 month of free access to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. Drops pants. We need a little rocket scooter Vibra. Maybe we can pump this out of the little stupid little crap we've been in over here. I think I woke the baby up. They're gonna be so mad at me. The baby is crying. I'm gonna get in trouble for being too loud. No whoosh fan, that's why. Could be. All right, guys, you got 50 seconds. If you're just joining the stream, we are doing a giveaway for rocket scooter boot camps. We're giving away 16 boot camps tonight. And I'm using ChatGPT. Where did my ChatGPT go? It's way over here. I need to pull this up here and then bring this back up over here. We're giving away 16 boot camps tonight, guys. NQ's on a little pump here. I like it. All right, you got 16 seconds. And then we're going to have ChatGPT choose 16 of you at random. You got 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, copying users. You can stop typing. I got everybody's name. You can stop typing. You're either in the draw or you are not in the draw now. It is over. Please select 16 names at random from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp. And give me a script to read out to everyone, announcing the winners and thanking Drops Homestead for the donations tonight. All right, here's all of our names. I can take out Rocket Scooter AI. We don't need that one in there. Here's all the names. Of course, Drops Homestead. He always enters his own drawing. I love it. There's everybody else that typed it in. All right, here we go, guys. Ladies, gentlemen, night shift legends, the charts have spoken, the liquidity has been harvested, and tonight destinies have been funded. But before we drop the names, before we unleash the moment everyone's been waiting for, we need to pause and give massive respect where it's due. Drops Homestead, everybody. Out here moving like a silent whale in the night, fueling dreams, funding futures, and straight up changing lives in this community. Man, this isn't just generosity, this is impact. This is someone saying, I believe in you. Now go prove it. So chat right now, flood it. Drops Homestead appreciation spam. Drop some rockets in chat for Drops Homestead. New highs on NQ and ES. Finally breaking out. Let's go, Drops. Thanks, buddy. All right, it's time. 16 names, 16 traders, 16 tickets out of the sidelines and into the arena. When I call your name, you didn't just win. You just got closer to the life you've been grinding for. Your Rocket Scooter Bootcamp winners are Naz Trader Prop, Mr. Benjabon, Yogi Bear 919, Alex Rifkin, Trade with Sonic, Jay Garland, Danny Boy, Malakishan, Vincent Cal, Money Morris, Jack Trades, T-Dogs Malone, Cian Mistra, Lord Kick, Dr. Amitox, Kurt Nichols. Congratulations. Listen up, this part matters. To claim your spot, head into the Discord. You can find the link in the description of this video. Find our VIP MVP Slacks in the contest channel. Send him a message with a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Let him know you won tonight's bootcamp giveaway. Don't sleep on it. Don't fumble the bag. This is your moment. And to everyone who didn't hear their name tonight, listen carefully. It's not a rejection. This was fuel. Because the real win isn't the giveaway. It's becoming the kind of trader who doesn't need one. Stay locked in, stay disciplined, and most importantly, don't count yourself out. All right. There you go. Congratulations, guys. You are the winners. You are the winners. 16 boot camps. Another 16 tonight, man. You guys keep racking them up. My buy limit, I'm taking it off. It ain't going to get hit. NQ pumping. ES making new highs.
when lights all glow. Rock it up, rock a scooter daddy, oh. Rock it up.
If you didn't win, you can still purchase the boot camp for $20. It's very cheap. It's $1 a days. You did not win drops, but you won in life. You are drops is the real winner tonight. You're gonna notify Slacks in the contest channel on Discord. You're gonna notify our admin named Slacks. You can right click on his name. Here, let me show you. I'll pull Discord over here. You're gonna go to Discord. You're gonna come down to the where's contest? Did I miss contest? Where's contest? Oh, it's down here. Contest channel. You're gonna message this guy right here, Slacks. Just right click on his name, click message, and just like this guy did right here. Won tonight's boot camp. He's really fast. He's gonna hook you all up. He's very quick. Mr. Ami Talks, you won the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. 1 free month of access to the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. It's the Rocket Scooter platform strategy. It goes over how to use the Rocket Scooter tools to find edge in the market. So it's all of what you see on the screen right here. Liquidity pockets, liquidity maps, resilience, arbitrage, MHP, HP, bull zones, bear zones, DD bands, all of it. You learn all of it. You learn position sizing. You learn DD band ratio. You get the whole shebang, baby. I wish I would have had it when I started trading. Could have avoided a lot of headaches, a lot of heartache. All right, guys, we're pulling into the last 15 minutes here. Did anybody take this long? Anybody take these longs out of this consolidation? Mr. Ami Talks wants to donate his boot camp to Toltar. Slacks, I don't know if you're watching, but Mr. Ami Talks is donating his boot camp to @Toltar, Tultr. I'll try and message you that information.
They say he rides when the market sleeps, when greed runs deep and silence creeps.
Thank you for doing that. Cool. Sent your DM. All good. Got you. Got you. Thanks, Slacks. Pulled 2K drawdown to 1K green. Nice. Anybody else catch this run up out of this choppy, trashy price action tonight? We're almost to 420. Be the second night in a row we've gotten 420. You got the long pop, Captain Jack? Sweet, buddy. Nice. I'm assuming oil's dropping. I mean, it's not dropping as aggressively as ES and NQ are pumping. We got the whoosh fan going. Let's see if we can keep price up here. Sean Mitri, I sent DM a Slacks as well. Please donate my boot camp to someone else. Okay, first person to type in drops gets Sean Mystery's boot camp. First person to type in drops gets Sean Mystery's boot camp. There you go. CPL CAF 5382. You got it. Not fast enough. Sorry, guys. CPL CAF is the winner. He got it. CPL CAF. Message Slacks. Let him know that you're taking Sean Mitsury's, and he's listening, so he knows. Slacks. Slacks is like, I could have been first. You could have won it. That's hilarious. I think Sean Mitsury, I think you won. Didn't you win a boot camp last week or something? Almost every single person that watches the stream has won a boot camp here, I feel like. We're going to send 4,000 people to the next boot camp. Wonder if I get a bonus or something from that. Yeah, he's making Slacks works overtime. Every time Drops donates money, Slacks is just like rolling his eyes. No. Not another one. Mom Bucks is $75 away from passing my 50K challenge, but these markets are not helping. Holler. Yeah. Don't push it. Don't push it. Don't over leverage. Don't oversize. Just wait for your setup. It'll come. Ultimate Flow objects. I don't have a specific date on when the next live bootcamp is. I just know that it's going to be at the end of March. Someone asked me that earlier tonight, and Matt was not in here to give us a specific date. You can jump on Matt's stream in the morning and ask Matt about it. He might have a more specific date as we go. Sean said it wasn't me. I've been watching Night Shift and loving it. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for being here and supporting the stream. Enrique. Oh, just took his message away. Never mind. Lucas Krug. 30th. Yeah. Coming back to test the top of this range up here. Will we hold or will we push? NQ. Did NQ make a new high? 658.50. Yeah, by a couple ticks. Dropping right back down into the range. Is HP gonna hold here on NQ? Or are we gonna just trickle back down again? What's gonna happen here? How did we drop down from 420 likes to 398? What in the actual hell is that about? What in the actual hell is that about, y'all? How do we go from 420 likes drop all the way back down? Who unclicked the like button? Somebody's girlfriend. Somebody's girlfriend. Bots, somebody's girlfriend, 100%. We're back up to 403. Dominion counts the likes? Okay. Dominion. The Dominion voting machines are counting the likes. Look, now we're back down to 398. What the hell, y'all? Mad they didn't win, so they unchecked the like button. That ain't cool. Someone girlfriend and mad at you saying goodnight to their man. Hey, no wick tickle for you tonight. I can't wait to hear Mike's song. Has he put it in yet? Or is he still working on it? No, he's still working on it. I hope he saves it for Sunday night. Now they're just gonna like and unlike to troll me? Yeah, probably. Loser's remorse? Yeah. Well, that sucks. That kind of pisses me off. You get us all the way to 420 and then we take away 30 likes? Come on, y'all. You can't wait to hear what Maduro says about it. Is Dominion a Venezuelan product or something? I don't keep up with it that much. Elon did it? Nah, Elon wouldn't. If Elon was watching this stream, first of all, Elon doesn't need to be trading day trading futures. He ain't gonna watch the stream. But if he was, and he actually liked it, I don't think Elon would pull his thumbs up. I don't think he would. I think Elon's kind of like, hey, if I like something, you can keep the like. I didn't win, but I will like the video. Thank you, Smitty. I appreciate that. You a real one. You a real one. There's 30 frauds popping into the stream here. 30 fraudulent watchers. Dominion was invented by Venezuelan engineering and sold access to countries. Really? Really? Look at this drop right back into the range, y'all. Look at this drop right back into this trash. Look at that. Oh my God. Coulter says, I liked and subscribed because you're a funny guy and chat is great. Hey, thank you for that. Hats off. Appreciate you. If you'll tell my kids that, I would appreciate it. They don't think I'm funny. And thanks for subscribing to the channel as well. Fraser says, I was out with a buddy. No trades for me tonight. Fraser, I took one trade right at the market open and locked in a payout for tomorrow on my 50K. And then we've been sitting here just chatting it up like good old friends, listening to some great music. Drops Homestead, of course, donating boot camps. We had a Wick Tickler song we got to listen to. Lady Darb got on and chatted for a little while. Kurt Nichols says, I told you I'm enjoying the vibes here earlier. Thanks, Kurt. I appreciate. Make the cat stuff the ballot box 12 times. Cat, get in here. Like, can you hit the thumbs up button? Madeline, good night. Thank you so much, Madeline, for being here. Appreciate you. We got over 400 likes, Fraser. We were up to 420. And literally 2 minutes later, 30 people unliked the stream after we gave the boot camps away. Can you believe that crap? I feel like I have to stay on until we're back over 400. Because I don't feel like we actually hit 400. If I don't end the stream with like 400 likes, I don't feel like it's actually true. I know you all saw it, because I saw it. But what kind of, that's like crappy, right? Vincent says, thank you for the boot camp. I'll be back when I'm a billionaire. I don't know who did it. They ain't coming forward. They're not coming forward. It's the ghost of Christmas past. Stay on overnight. Oh my God, man. I'm on vacation, bro. I'm hanging out with my family all day. I think we're going to the zoo or to the aquarium tomorrow. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to trade in the morning. I don't know what they got going on. Cowards. I know, man. NQ full retrace all the way back down the bottom. This is insane price action. Like, this is absolute trash. Absolute trash. You know what's absolute trash? People who like and then they unlike because they didn't win. That's trash. Lucas, we have like 7 worship leaders on staff, and we have one or two that just rotate around to help out, fill in holes and stuff. So we have plenty of people to step up. You liked it on 3 accounts, took it to 413. I know, man. We're at 394. People just stopped it. The best night futures trading stream. Can you imagine unliking the best nighttime futures trading stream on YouTube? It doesn't make any sense, right? Joke's on them. They're never going to win. Joke's on them. I think here in the Dallas area, I think a lot of schools are on spring break. So where we were, I'll stay on Dan a little bit. Are you guys on spring? Where we were in Houston, spring break was last week. So, but I think there are some school districts up here in the Dallas area that are out. So it'll be crazy wherever we go. You took the NQ short hit my target, and when I closed my trade, it was 72 cents. Oh no! No! Oh, that's so frustrating. Mom bucks. Oh, that's so frustrating. Oh, that sucks. I always, if I'm gonna market order out from passing an eval, I always make sure it's way over, not like right immediate, because it can blip real quick like that. So I always make sure that I'm like, it's like $25 or $30, $50 over. And if there's consistency, I can always go to a forward contract on micros and lose it to get it back down to consistency if I need to. So I always try to make sure it goes over a little bit of a buffer before I mark it out. 401, let's go. We're back up. The hour rolls over. We get to 401. I think that's awesome. I think that's awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I forgot to keep. Man, been a quiet news night tonight. Nothing. There's been no military news, no missiles, no airports getting attacked, no rockets or drones getting shot down. Trump hasn't dropped any tweets. What a quiet trading Asia session, man. This has been kind of nuts, man. Plano High School's on spring break. Yeah, I think there's several. When we drove through, we stopped to get gas at a Buc-ee's, of course. That's the only gas station that you do stop at in Texas. And it was packed with kids on spring break. More than normal. Buc-ee's are always packed, but anyway. Enjoying the price action? Well, at least I'm glad someone's enjoying this price action. I'm not. Triple witching tomorrow. Yep. Echo Trader Pro's right. All the big military news is gonna drop. They're gonna do something crazy over the weekend, and we're gonna get another massive gap at the Sunday Open again. I've never done a Buc-ee's car wash. No, I don't think I have. Mike Hawk caught the short off of that rip. There you go. The pop and drops are nice if you're trading ES. Yeah. I mean, this has definitely been, another great opportunity tonight to, sell the top and buy the bottom of this tight range. I just always feel like the time that I choose to buy or sell is the time it always just decides to rip 100 points out of the range. Really? South of Houston? I didn't know that. Buc-ee's is a Texas, it's a Texas icon now, man. And it's crazy how fast, like I feel like it's like in the last 15 years, Buc-ee's has just become this massive, like Texas, like icon place. Like if you're on a road trip in Texas, people go out of their ways to find a Buc-ee's to stop. And if you don't know what a Buc-ee's is, if you're not from Texas, Dan's looking for longs. Oh, dude, in the middle of the range? I don't know about that. I feel like if I was gonna go for a long, I would wait for another dip down to the bottom at least. Oh, here we go. The new hour, and we get a new gold. We got a new gold question. What do I think about gold? I think it's just dribbling up. It's melting up a little bit at a time. VWAP is holding. Currently trying to take out the old 30-minute high right here and make a new higher high. So till that happens, you know, it's still kind of in a bearish downtrend at the moment. There you go. Whoosh fan didn't work so well tonight. Oh, I don't want to get rid of MHP. There we go. I don't know that I would want to be buying in the middle. They have really nice, yeah. So if you've never been to Texas, Buc-ee's is this gas station that it sits on major freeways all over Texas, and they have like, I don't know, how many gas pumps do they have at these places? 100 gas pumps? And I'm not exaggerating. Like, I legit think it might be like 100 gas pumps. It's a massive gas, and inside, they became famous at first because their promise was to have the cleanest, nicest gas stations that you could stop at on the road. Because everyone knows when you pull into a gas station on a road trip, it's usually a horrible, horrible experience. Well, they really do have beautiful, nice, very clean bathrooms, and they're humongous. But the store itself, they smoke barbecue there, that you can get food in there, tacos, brisket, pulled pork. You can get breakfast tacos in the morning and biscuits, and they have a huge, like when you go inside, it's like one end of it is just shopping. Like they have, think like Walmart, like products that you can buy that maybe a little bit nicer. And then the other end is just like a grocery store. And then they have a billion checkout counters because the store is, you can barely walk in it. Like when it's at peak hours, it's like shoulder to shoulder. You're just trying to get your way through on a Buc-ee's. It's crazy how many people stop at Buc-ee's. Yeah, it's like a superstore. They're massive, dude. They've got to have at least 100 gas pumps. Maximum cleanliness and efficiency, yeah. They have cameras by the cash registers to verify your gas pump. There you go. Gift shop, yeah. I'm telling you, dude, it is a cultural icon in Texas right now. Dan, it's a nice little pop off of your diddle in the middle. Yeah, I'm in Texas. Currently, I'm in North Texas, just north of Dallas. NQ's rallying, ES is pumping. Maybe we're gonna break out of this, man. It's hard to say. I would not want to be trying to get into anything right now. Lucas, time to call it a night. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna. We got back over 400 likes, legitimate likes now because they're not dropping off. Thank you guys. This was the very last This was the very last night shift for the week. Market will be closed tomorrow afternoon, and so no night shift Friday or Saturday. We'll be back on Sunday evening. Fantastic week of trading. Fantastic week of streaming, man. Absolutely love hanging out with you guys. So thank you so much for supporting the stream the way you do, showing up every single night. Man, the numbers are growing. We continue to pick up new viewers every single stream, and so thank you guys for liking, for engaging, sharing, subscribing, all the things. It's fantastic. It's time for the night shift to clock out. It's time for me to tuck you in and wish you sweet dreams of green. Hope you guys have a great, safe weekend. Be careful tomorrow, trading the witching hour. Check out Matt's show in the morning. Check out Neon's show in the afternoon. But for now, sweet dreams, guys. Eva Trades, good night. Thanks for being here. It's Burn Trades, good night. My Travel Journey, have a great weekend, good night. Brian B. Dog, have a great night. Lucas Kruggs, see you, buddy. Appreciate you. Have a good night. Chief Jim, have a good night. Chris Noof, good night. Levi Jones, good night. I Am Liquidity. Kyle, thanks for that song, man. It was great. Good night, buddy. Trigger, have a great night. Xanic Trades, Ethan, good night. Dan, pump it, let's go. Good night, buddy. Good luck, sweet dreams, bud. Coach Greg, good night. Ooh, Wart, good night. C. Kennedy, good night. Dr. VJ, good night, good night. Phoenix Trades, have a great night. Fraser, great weekend, good night, sweet dreams, man. Good night, Yoda. Good night, Dishu. Rogue, good to see you, buddy. Have a great weekend, sweet dreams, man. Duarte Machado. I love saying that name. Good night, buddy. Nas Trader Prop, good night. Zill, good night. Tony B, good night. Sweet dreams, Dave Mack. Sweet dreams, Mom Bucks. Get that account passed. Learn trading, good night, good night. Kevin, good night. Slacks, have a great weekend, buddy. Thanks for all you do, man. Good night. Dr. VJ, good night. James T, catch you later, buddy. Appreciate you being here. Good night. Hong Kong Fooey, appreciate you. Have a great night. Sweet dreams. Good night, game. Captain Jack, love you, buddy. Have a great night. Thanks, Scott. Have a great night, man.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams tonight.
Thanks, Mike. Have a great night.
Night shift, clocking out. Close the charts, power down.
Good morning, good morning. Good night for the rest of us.